It's the looks. Okay, giving the looks. Yes, honey. Slayed in an hour. Okay, slayed in an hour. Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these distressed short faux locks in under an hour. Yes, you heard me right, under an hour. Now if you want to learn how to do these from scratch yourself with just regular old braiding hair or passion twist hair, I'm going to link the video right here up in the cards. But if you ain't got time but you want the look, you can go ahead and do these individual crochet style. The link to the hair will be in the description box. It's not sponsored or nothing, but I mean, I just wanted you guys to get a look at it and you guys can decide if you want to buy it or not. But you can just Google on Amazon, like Google on Amazon. Wow. Anyway, you guys can just search on Amazon for distressed faux locks and you'll find like so many, but this was really affordable and I got 3 packs. It was like 20 strands in a pack and I didn't even use all 3 packs, and you see how full she is, okay? But hold up. Before we go any further, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like the video and you like this type of content, you know, teaching you how to do your own hair and things in these quarantine times. And of course, if you love it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. So without further ado, go ahead and check out this video, girl. So the first thing you're going to need is this crochet needle, this right here, or you can use this beater. Next thing you're going to need, of course, is your crochet hair, and I especially love this one. It's a nice size and it's beautifully distressed. Oh my god, just look at this. I'm just giving you guys a little close up. Look at that, gorgeous. So this is how I stretch my hair. I usually use bantu knots after I wash my hair to stretch it, so I don't need to use heat. This is how it is. Pow, nice and stretched. Oh, so the next thing we're gonna do is, of course, braid her up. Okay, you guys know I love pre-parting my hair, pre-braiding my hair, like pre-sectioning when I'm going to do crochet styles or any type of braids. It makes life so much easier. So this is the style. I have some nice neat boxes. So this is the crochet hair. It will have like a loop at the base. So you're going to go ahead and insert the crochet needle through the base of your braid. Hook that loop onto the hook, close it, and pull it through. Now at this point, you're going to use that hole at the top and insert the bottom of your crochet hair. Crochet hair only, not your hair as well. You guys know I never do it with my hair as well. It causes too much tension at the root. So pull the crochet hair through itself, like through that little loop. Make sure it's nice and secure. So now you can see I'm doing a split screen to show you guys how I do it with the beater and with the crochet needle. So if your hair is longer, this method will be especially helpful. Measure your hair to the halfway point and you can see on the crochet hair where your hair would stop. Insert the crochet needle or the beater at that point all the way up to the root. Then go ahead and hook or insert the halfway point of your hair through that beater or crochet hook. Here I'm doing it with the beater up close. Later on I'll show you guys with the crochet hook. So insert your hair at the halfway point and make sure it's like nice and taut and go ahead and pull that all the way through. And as you can see, it's like super easy, and the beater is really nice because it's long, so it can really get all the way up there. So there it is. You can see the hair is nice and covered. Everything is all in and right. Okay, so I went ahead and did most of my head off camera because ain't nobody got time for that. So here I'm showing you again the base of the crochet hair. It has a little hole. Open it on up, girl. Insert your crochet needle at the base of your hair, and please guys, don't be like me. I made my braids a little bit too tight, so when I was inserting and pulling that crochet hair, it was a little bit of ooh, ow, Girl, I was feeling it, but I had to make this video. But don't be like me. Make your braids a little looser, because this is supposed to be a protective style. We do not want tension on our roots, because that can be problematic. So make sure you pull that loop. You see I'm having a little bit of trouble because it's way too tight, okay? But yeah, once you get it through, open that little hole at the base and insert the crochet hair through itself. Same process like we did before. Now that everything is nice and tight at the base, we're going to go ahead and insert the crochet needle about 2 inches away from the root, and we're going to go ahead and just pull our hair through. Don't measure the halfway point yet, just pull it through. Once it's nice and neatly through, you know there's no bumps at the root or anything. Now we're going to go ahead and fold our hair, measure the halfway point, and we're going to measure about 2 inches down the crochet hair once again, and we're going to exit at the point where our hair is still sticking out. Now we're going to fold the hair in half, hook it in the needle, close that latch, and pull it down. Now do not pull too hard. You want to maintain that loop, okay? So just pull enough that all the hair is in at the top, but you have your little bit of loop left out. Insert slightly below where that loop ends. Hook it again. Close that latch hook. Pull it through. Now don't pull too hard. Now at this point you know your hair is secure. So just push the needle in, close it, and pull it out. So your hair is like locked in there, like locked in, secure. So we're going to do the same thing with this one last section. I need to stop doing that. I need to stop sticking my tongue out. Like, child, All right, so insert the crochet needle at the base of the hair. Hook that little loop on the crochet hair through, pull it through the base of your hair. So now we have the little loop sticking out. Now insert the bottom of that crochet hair through that little loop. Remember, do not insert your hair along with this. It will be problems come time to take it out, and it'll be way too much tension on the root of your hair. So like I did before, just go ahead and measure where your hair stops, just for like, so you know how you'll go ahead with the halfway point. So 2 inches below the base or the root of your hair, go ahead and insert your crochet needle, and make sure you go all the way through the root, okay? Now just insert your hair into the latch hook. It doesn't matter about the halfway point as yet, and pull it through, because we want to make sure that it's nice and neat at the root. If your hair is too thick and you try to do the halfway thing right away, it can be very painful trying to pull it through, girl. Trust me, I've tried. Now we're going to go ahead and measure the halfway point of our hair so we know roughly where it will stop on that crochet hair. So now we go 2 inches below where our hair is sticking out. Insert the needle, push up, and exit through the same spot where our hair is still sticking out. Now go ahead, measure your halfway point and hook it onto that needle. Close the latch and pull her through. Make sure not to pull too hard. We still want to maintain that loop. See, we got that loop still there. It's nice and taut and sticking out at the top. Now you go in your crochet hair, like slightly below where your hair would end, and exit through the section on the crochet hair where your hair is still sticking out. Loop that thing back in again. Okay, close the crochet hook and pull your hair through. Make sure it's like nice and snug in there. Don't pull it all the way out. Now insert your crochet hook, close the latch, and pull it out nice and smooth. Your hair is locked and loaded, guys. So that is the finished look, okay? These are very natural looking, very realistic, very authentic looking. Like there's not a huge bump at the root, and especially with the distressed look, girl, it looks flawless, okay? Look at the front. It is like so perfect. Like you can't tell me that these are crochet. Like crochet who? This mine. It's mine, okay? It's all mine. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. Okay, so just take a few quick glances at her, and it's very full. The hair itself is not heavy at all, and this is an awesome protective style as long as you make sure not to braid your hair too tight. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and of course hit that notification bell. Bye.